Hello everyone, this is Michelle, the Overseas Marketing Director of Dalian Kangzhan Machinery and Electric Engineering Corporation Limited. We are a factory of automotive assembly lines, and this is our branch factory. At present, 2 hub assembly lines and 1 axle assembly line are in production. Now please follow my camera to have a look. Now what we see is a one-hub assembly line that has been fully commissioned and successfully passed the customer's acceptance. Today we will start to dismantling the line and pack the components and preparing them for shipment. This is the first workstation, manual hosted hub and brake drums, and manual pre-installed bolts. This is the second workstation, is bearing altering pricing. And this is the third workstation, you can see the 2-axis pricing machine. And this is the reserved workstation, manual hosted hubs and brake drums, assembly process, washer and tear nuts. And here we see the 180-degree tender machine. This workstation is equipped with 3 units of grinding machines and a robot, and the harbor will be transferred into the machine bed robot. This is a hub inner cavity grease filling machine. This workstation is hub assembling on fly by operating the electric hoist. Lift and hoist the wheel hub assembly of the production line. After the hub assembly of the line, this pallet will be returned on this line to the first workstation. This is a brief overview of the entire line. If you'd like to know more any part of it, please reach me out. Thank you.